Hey, yarn wizards and cozy crafters. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do the half double crochet stitch, or as I call it, the stitch that's perfect when you're too lazy for a double but too ambitious for a single. Grab your yarn, grab your hook, and grab a snack, because learning is hungry work. Okay, step 1, start with a foundation chain. Make a chain as long as you want but not, like, across the entire living room long. Now, here's the magic move for half double crochet. Ready? Yarn over, like you're giving your yarn a little hug. Then, stick your hook into the third chain from the hook. Now, yarn over again, because crochet is basically just giving your yarn lots of hugs and pull through that stitch. You have 3 loops on your hook. Don't panic. You're gonna yarn over one more time and pull through all 3 loops like a boss. Bam! You just did a half double crochet stitch. And now, behold. Yarn over. Insert hook. Yarn over. Pull through. Yarn over. Pull through all 3. Look at you go. Repeat until you're feeling like a literal crochet god. And that's it. You officially know the half double crochet stitch. Easy, breezy, cozy. Go forth and make scarves, blankets, sweaters, or just a weirdly long crochet snake if that's your vibe. Catch you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and pet your yarn today. Bye.